Selfologi is the go-to destination for cosmetic treatments. There is no certain, let's say, one-stop shop in the UAE, in the region, and maybe even globally, where you can go in to truly understand and learn about all the different types of cosmetics.
If you want to find out about different cosmetic treatments, different concerns, different devices, it's very, very scattered right now to find that information and find it from a trusted source. With Selfologi, we're aiming to be the destination for cosmetic treatments.
We wanted to bring that transparency to allow people to compare, to look, to understand who's the clinic behind it, who's the practitioner behind it, and what types of services can they book, and allow them, like any e-commerce, to actually book and pay online, which just simplifies and makes a much more seamless journey for everyone.
The key objectives were to bring together a multi-disciplinary experience. One of the biggest challenges is we haven't just built one site. We have the direct-to-consumer site that's visible publicly, and that's the main platform that everyone interacts with. But in the background, we've also got a full e-commerce platform accessible to the clinics. So we've had to design a journey that works both front-end and back-end for non-technical users and making it a seamless journey so they can actually manage their business online.
We've taken a headless approach. We're taking the best-in-class technology, and the way it's structured has really allowed us already to start thinking, what's next?
Scalability was absolutely critical. Performance was really critical, and cost. So we've managed to pick partners where we can scale with our business and their pricing will scale with our business. So that was really advantageous because even though we're bringing together multiple different partners, the total cost of ownership's actually better than a monolithic approach.
The solutions that have been implemented for the Selfologi platform include commerce tools, which powers the transactional side of the site, Ampliance, which is a content management system, Algolia, a best-in-class search solution, and Yotpo, which is a user-generated content platform that also has functionalities for ratings and reviews.
Having worked with Grid Dynamics in the past on various different e-commerce sites and knowing people who've also worked with them, we had 100% confidence that technically it was something that Grid Dynamics would be able to achieve for us and always do it to the highest standards as well. One of the big values that Grid Dynamics bring is the ability to actually critically assess what it is you want to achieve. They will critically assess what our requirements are, and they'll challenge and they'll come back with great recommendations. And for me personally, that's where the value is, because whilst we may understand web technology to a certain degree, Grid Dynamics really are the experts in it, providing that expertise, providing that critical thinking, and helping the business to grow and execute what we need to achieve.
Selfologi is an amazing project. I'd say the biggest excitement about it is seeing that initial seed of an idea turn into something that is now alive. We can see it all around us, a brand that is representing something quite incredible and a technology base that's going to help that brand springboard into the future.
We're a startup, we're unique, but the tech that we have adapted, the solutions that we're using, that on its own is something worthy or just to brag about, to talk about left and right, because not many do it, whether they're monolithic, whether they're just using outdated technology, whether they're using not the best provider. What we're doing is transforming the tech industry here as well.
I'm hoping we can bring this fresh approach to the region and really hold Selfologi up as one of the leading examples of how composable can really help scale a business.